Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Zendesk Insight for reporting and analytics. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to thezendesk.com, where you'll be greeted by their official page. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. If guys you do not have one, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here you have the Zendesk official page, where we have your account, the ticketing system, agent and productivity, messaging and live chat, help center, etc, etc. Also on the left side, we have everything about your tickets. So you have your unsolved tickets, the unsigned tickets, the pending tickets. You can also go and click on one ticket to edit it. So basically you can then edit it, merge it, mark it spam, or delete it. In the top right corner, as you can see, we have the everything about your profile. So you can view your profile, see product updates, get help, see the support help center, keyboard shortcuts, give feedback about privacy, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually how to use Zendesk Insight for reporting and analytics. So basically this is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you now to know how to do it in no time. So from the product tray in the Zendesk support, choose the explore icon. So you have to go to the support, you have to create it first here, and you have to then click on the explore icon. In the Zendesk Explorer sidebar, click the report icon. On the reports library page, click new report. Then on the select and the dataset page, choose support tickets, and then click start report. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.